Guys, it is time. It is time. Guys, welcome back to my the one and only S to the A to the S to the H to the W to the N to the N to the N to the N. Well, S to the A to the S to the H to the A to the W to the N to the N to the A. So much again for tuning into my channel. You know what you need to do. If you're not new, just go ahead and thumbs up this video because it's gonna be good. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as usual, thank you guys always for your support. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Yeah, today's video, guys, you know, it's time for these braids to go. They're not going to go like we're not going to just take them out. We are going to be transforming them into something greater. So I've had in these braids for about 5 weeks. This is how they're looking. This is the growth that I've gotten over that time, which isn't too bad. It's good. But I am over them. It's time for them to be changed. So we're going to be transforming this old knotless box braids and we're going to be turning it into some FAUX LOC. Okay, so currently our hair is at about this length. We'll have a bit here, about this length. So what we're gonna do, we're going to be cutting it shorter to about here. So we're going to go ahead and just cut the ends of the hair. Wow, can't believe I'm doing this now, just like that. Alright, so guys, this is how my ends are looking now. Yeah, we're blunt, and that is what we want. Alright, so guys, next thing we're going to do, we're going to be spraying our scalp with some leave-in conditioner. I actually washed my hair already, so it's nice and clean. So we're going to add some Lotta Body leave-in conditioner to that. Going to just massage that in because we need to add back the moisture in our hair since our hair is going to be under more hair for an extended period of time. Next, I'm going to be taking my Blue Magic Indian hemp oil and I'm going to be sealing my hair with that. So I'm going to put some at the back of my hands. I'm just going to add it to every braid. We're just concentrating that oil up to a point, up to about this point. That's where my hair stops. So we're locking in the moisture. So we're going to be using a scrunchie just to put our hair in one section, just like this. So we're going to be using the reggae Marley braid to do this. So this is how it actually looks. It's separated, which is very good. So one strand of the hair is looking like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this needle like this, push it all the way down, and then I'm going to go right through the hair like this. Okay, so it looks. Then I'm going to attach the hair onto the needle like this, and then I'm going to close it and pull it through. See that? Then I'm going to open back the needle, and that's how it looks. So because our hair is long, we're going to carry this down a bit This is how we want it to look. Right now I have this little piece out. The length of my hair is like this, and this is very long. Right, next I'm going to take my Ocean hair gel wax. I'm going to be taking a little bit of that. Just going to add it to my hair just like that. It's a little bit too much, but that's fine. I'm going to push that in. Then I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping this hair around the braid. So we're wrapping that about 2 times or 3 times. I'm gonna start separating the hair a bit, and then I'm gonna start wrapping my actual hair. Like this. I want to ensure that you're separating it to actually cover the hair. So we're going to wrap that. Way around. Now we're at the end of our hair. We're just going to continue wrapping it. Then we're going to fold it up to the bottom like this, and then we're going to wrap just like that to hide the ends, to conceal the ends like this. Then we're going to take this piece, we're going to split it in 2, and then we're going to wrap it back up. Both pieces, we're going to wrap it upwards. So we're wrapping that up. Then we're going to tie it like this. Tie the 2 pieces tightly. Then we're going to wrap the rest up. And then it's going to look like this. But to hold everything together, we're going to just rub it in our hands just like that, and voila, guys, is our first lock. I'm going to be doing another one just to reinforce what I just did. So I'm going to add the gel again. Guys, it doesn't matter if you add the gel first or last, it doesn't matter. Push back the pin in. Then I'm going to take the hair, put that on, lock it, pull it through, open it. Okay, that's stuck. And let it go. Then we start again. We're wrapping it around my hair 3 times, and then we start going down while separating the hair, going down, wrapping it around. Just be careful, it can get a bit tight, as right now I feel it on my scalp. So just take your time. We don't want to lose our edges in the process. So guys, I'm gonna finish up most of my hair and then I'll be right back, okay?
6 hours later.
So I am back. It's basically 5 left. Guys, this took way longer than I expected. Watched like 2 movies, took a nap. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest on camera. So we're gonna go ahead and lay our edges. Yeah, good old toothbrush. This is the final look. Yeah, I actually love these so much. Oh my god. Alright, so guys, I started this hairdo when I was extremely tired, so it took me about 6 hours to do, but under normal circumstances it would probably take me about 4 hours. So yeah, this is how it is. So much for watching again. I hope you liked this tutorial. Yeah, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I'm waiting to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, again, goodbye.